Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S23 Ultra with a cracked display, and we have David here, our Samsung Galaxy expert, to fix this for us. So let's go. So right here we have a crack on the corner, most probably a drop. So you can see that it's flickering on the bottom area, and you can see also a horizontal green line, which is still good. The smartphone still functions, but it's not really a good user experience seeing that every day and every time you use your smartphone. So we better change the broken display and eliminate the issue. It's also gonna make sure that this smartphone does not get contamination through that crack. And we have removed the back cover. The back cover seems easy to remove, so I suspect that this has been fixed before, or someone has opened this smartphone before, because typically Samsung use a very strong adhesive on the back cover of their flagship devices, and this being an S23 Ultra, you can expect premium components. And this is like the descendant of the Note series. You can see that there's an S Pen in this S23 Ultra. This smartphone model is also very big, super wide, and you can see the battery is also very dense. So we have removed the cover for the wireless charging. Now we're gonna remove some screws on the daughter board, because we can lift it up and remove it with these flex cables. So David is removing all the components from the housing, because the replacement display will also have its own replacement housing. So it's easier for us to transfer everything, the board, the battery, and all the miscellaneous components. And David just yanked out the battery like nothing. Right there. Well, we use this adhesive strip, and look at that adhesive. Will it come in one piece? Well, a bit was left behind. We'll reuse this one. It's still good. You can see there. The battery is very thick, very dense. That this is gonna power the S23 Ultra for almost an entire day, depending on use, of course. We'll transfer the main board. And then transplant everything that we have removed. The battery, the daughter board, the S Pen, and I think the SIM card tray is already out, so we'll put that back later. S Pen fits snugly. So there's another way to fix a broken screen on a S23 Ultra. You can just buy a screen and remove the screen from the old housing, but this is a better way, because you get a brand new screen and a brand new housing, and from the front it will look brand new, and because you basically use brand new external shell. And if you just replacing the display, you can add more time for the repair time. So this is the better way, and this is what David is offering here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. So if you're interested on Galaxy S23 Ultra repair, you can definitely visit us. You can also send in your broken Samsung devices if you're comfortable. If you want that, you don't have anyone near you to fix your device, or you can't source any parts for your high-end smartphone, you can send it to us. Just message David first on Instagram or Facebook, and we'll sort it out. We can arrange the shipping, payment, and of course we'll communicate the updates regarding your smartphone repair. And this is good. This is working pretty well. We are not gonna go inside the smartphone. The client wants us to just leave it as is. So they're gonna do the testing after the repairs themselves. So the buttons, cameras, speakers, and we'll just cover it up, complete the repair. You can see there from the front, it really looks brand new. It's like you just bought a brand new S23 Ultra. It's crazy. For the fraction of the cost of this S23 Ultra, and this display is gorgeous and costs a considerable amount of money, but it's just a fraction of the cost if you just call it a day. You throw your broken smartphone into the bin and buy a brand new one. So it's still worth it, especially high-end smartphones. Definitely worth the repair cost. And if you have a qualified technician to do the job, definitely go for it. You will save your data, save some money, and save the environment because you're not contributing to the rubbish that is thrown out into the void. And we'll throw in a protective cover for this one. This is plastic, so it's not tempered glass, but it's gonna prevent scratches. And look at that. Gorgeous. Thanks for joining, guys. This is a done deal, and I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?